Hello children, today we are going to learn about verbs. Verbs are action words like laughing, dancing, cooking, eating. So here comes the definition of verb. A verb is a word used to express an action, a condition or a state of being. There are three types of verbs: action verbs, linking verbs and helping verbs. Action verbs. A verb that shows action is called an action verb. The words which tell us about action, like drinking, eating, cooking, chewing, all these are action words. So they are called action verbs. The action verb tells what its subject does. It tells us what subject is doing. Like I am playing in the park. So here subject is I, and what I am doing, I am playing in the park. The action can either be physical or mental. Yes, we can do physically movement or we are doing mental movements. It depends upon that. Action verbs: cuffed, ran, swallowed, sang, awake, write. Linking verbs. A linking verb links its subject to a word in the predicate. Linking verbs express a condition or a state of being. Like I am smart. So it is telling us the state. I am clever. Again, it is depicting the state. There are 9 common linking verbs: am, are, be, being, become, is, seem, was, were. To remember these linking verbs, use this saying: all boys in school work. So, all in all, A stand for am, are, boys, B stand for be, being, become, for in, I, is, in school, S, seem, in work, W, was, were. So this is the easiest way to remember all the linking verbs by learning this sentence. Helping verbs. A helping verb helps a main verb. Main verb like laugh, dance, express action or precise shades of meaning. The combination of one or more helping verbs is called a verb phrase. Elmer was using the computer. So here helping verb is was and using is the main verb. Helping verbs are may, might, must, be, being, been, am, are, wills, is, was, were, do, does, did, should, could, would, have, had, has, will, can, shall. Helping verbs. Other things to keep in mind. Not every sentence will have a helping verb with the main verb. Yes, in every sentence you cannot find the helping verb with the main verb. When you see an ing verb such as running, be on the lookout for a helping verb also. Like rabbit is running. So here is helping verb and running is the main. Sometimes there is another word which separates the helping verb from the main verb. One common example is not. The boy could not find his socks. Here could is helping verb and main verb is find. A sentence may contain up to 3 helping verbs to the main verb. Like in this example we can see the dog must have been chasing the cat. So here are 3 helping verbs: must, have and been, and chasing is the main verb. So there are 3 helping verbs. So let us revise again. There are different types of verbs. Some show action and some don't. An action verb shows action. It tells what the subject of the sentence does. Like my mother is cooking dinner. So here action verb is cooking. Now we can see more examples like Bill hit the ball, the cat purred softly, I walked to school, Suzanne spoke to me. So the words which are in green color, they are the action verbs. Linking verb links or connects the subject to the predicate. It doesn't. So examples of linking verbs are we are hungry, he was late to school, the winner is Johnny. So the words which are highlighted in red color are the linking verbs. A helping verb helps the main verb. The helping verb comes before the main. So here comes the example of helping or main verbs. I'm eating my lunch. Eat has taken the test. We were talking. So the words which are highlighted in mauve color are helping verbs, and the words which are highlighted in blue color are main verbs. Now some practice questions are: they are watching television. Verb here is are watching and type helping or main. Where helping verb is are and watching is main verb. Frank was tired after work. Here verb was type linking verb. As we can see that Frank is the subject and it shows the connection that he was tired after work. So it shows the connection with the subject and predicate that he has done the work, now he is tired. So the linking verb is was here. My dad drove his car to the store. Verb drove and type action verb. We can see that here the dad is doing action, is driving car. So it is an action verb. Thomas raised his hand. Here verb is raised and it is an action verb as Thomas is raising his. Anne was cooking dinner in the kitchen. Here the verb was cooking and was is helping verb and cooking is main verb. The teacher answered his question. Here the verb is answered and that is action verb. As teacher is answering his question, he is performing an action. So it is called an action verb. I am thirsty after all that running. Here verb is am and it is a linking verb. They will be late to the party. Verb here will be and it is a linking verb. Sarah competed in the track meet. Here verb is competed. So here action verb is competed, that she competed in the track meet. I did my homework right after school. Here verb is did and it is showing some action. So it is an action verb. The boys were playing in the park. Here verb were playing and type helping or main verb. Where were is helping verb and main verb is playing. So I hope we have practiced enough examples. The concept is clear to you all. Thank you everyone.